Hi guys, today we're going to do a market recap, see how you can take advantage of this market. So stay tuned to get some more information. Today we're going to be talking about the stock market. We're going to basically recap what we've been doing in the market, where we're at this current point. We have received the vaccine, and we want to show you how that'll affect the stock market in the coming weeks to come. Take in mind that we are coming to the end of the year, so there is going to be a lot of reshuffling of portfolios by the big indexes. So there will be a lot of volatility in the market for the weeks to come. That's just to keep in mind, just in case you are putting money in the stock market. Be aware that at this point of time in the year, there's big hedge funds, big markets, big companies just moving or shuffling money around in the market. So you also have to be careful a little bit in terms of the volatility that's taking place at the moment. But if you are investing money in the right companies, then there shouldn't be an issue. Especially if you're holding long term, then this shouldn't be an issue. Actually, this will probably give you an opportunity to get a company that you're interested in at a very good price. So today we're just going to cover our portfolio, where we're at this current point. I want to show you on the screen. So far today we're down 861, 1.3%. We thought the market was going to be a little bit greener today, just because the vaccine by Pfizer had came out today, had just arrived in Los Angeles and throughout the U.S. But it seems like that's already been priced into the market within the last couple of months or so. Prices have been going up steadily on all these stocks, so I'm thinking it's a little bit priced in already. In the 1 week we're actually down 4.3% from last week. We go back to the 1 month. 1 month we're up 10%, 5,868. And in the 3 month figure, we're actually up 13.76%, about almost $7,500. So we've been doing pretty well. We have cut back on a little bit. I mean, we've taken out some money out of the stock market, just keeping it on the side, just making sure, just in case there is a small drop or whatnot, we're ready to purchase as well. You never want to be fully committed in terms of having all your money in the stock market. You always want to keep a percentage. I try to keep about a 25% cash on the side, just in case there is a big drop or whatnot, especially at the end of the year. So just keep that in mind when you're investing your money. You don't want to have, like, say for example, if you have $1,000, you would probably want to invest 800 and then keep about $200 on the side, just in case there is a small drop. You can take advantage of those opportunities. Okay. For this week, what we're trying to accomplish here, we're pretty much going to be, same thing as before. We're gonna focus on the smaller cap companies, prices on larger cap companies, such as, I'll give you an example, Tesla. If we go here to the screen, Tesla here is very, very overpriced in my opinion. It's up there. I'm not saying it's not a good opportunity to buy. I'm just saying that you have a greater percentage of Tesla falling down when you're putting in your money. So basically, a better example of that would be if Tesla was, I'll show you in the chart. So say for example, I'll show you, we'll go to the 1 week chart. So we go here to the 1 week, you'll see that on December 9th, Tesla actually dropped all the way down to 589, okay? 589. So it had a big drop from where it was at. Before then, it was at just not even, it was at 650. So a day later, it dropped about $60. Right now, it's currently trading at 638. So if you see Tesla, then you see that you would be getting it at 638 but you also have to consider that it might take a downfall and head down. So when I purchase a stock, or when I'm looking to buy a stock, I always want to get at the low points. So here in this case scenario, B589 would be a great time to buy, right? Also here, 591, right? Because you're hitting points that the stock hasn't been at. If you go to the 1 month, look at this. The 1 month, you got 589 here, you got 558 here, but it goes up from there. So it goes down to that point again, and then it goes up from there. So you're trying to leverage out your position by not getting so high, because if you do get it at this point, 640 or 637, and there's a higher risk, in my opinion, of the stock going back to 589 when the stock hasn't broken 650, basically, right? So that when you balance it out, you're trying to position yourself where you have the better opportunity for the stock to go up instead of it going down. So another great company that we've been looking at, we've been heavily invested into, is a company that we spoke about before. It's called Lithium Americas. So currently, right now, Lithium Americas is pretty low. It's at a 905. Let's look at the 3-month chart here. I love this company just because the way we're heading, especially with the EV market, lithium is going to be a necessity for all these companies. So if you get an opportunity right now to buy, and if you look at the 3-month chart here, you can see that this stock was at 1624 on October 5th of this year. Since then, it's fell, and right now it's currently at the low point, 918. It does have support here at this area. So if you're able to get this stock anywhere in this area, $9 or maybe eights, if it happens to drop in the $8 range, I mean, I would suggest for you to load up. This is going to be we currently have about, what do we have here, 700 shares. Our price, because we've been buying along the way, is $10.08. So we bought more today as well, but this is just an opportunity. This is where I'm saying that if you look at this low here, which is $9, your opportunity for the stock to actually go up is greater than for it to go down. It could always go down, but if you look at the supports here, this is a great support. That means that it's going to be hard for this stock to go lower than this, because as soon as it does go lower, people or institutions will just start buying it up. So this is a great opportunity, and with that, I want to leave you guys today. This is just a small market recap. Make sure you know. The advice that we give here is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing, and if you want to come along for the ride, you're more than welcome to. I'll be giving you more updates throughout the week. Different stocks. We'll be covering different sectors for this week. I just wanted to give you a small market recap of what we're doing this week. We do want to sell off a little bit of our portfolio here at the right opportunity, at the right price. And then hold off for a little bit until the new year, just because there is going to be a lot of people taking breaks. Volume on the stock market is going to drop, so because of that, we also want to just keep our money on the sideline just a little bit. But if we see a great opportunity, we'll jump right in. Sometimes you get opportunities in situations or moments like this. So that's my opinion. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe to this channel if you find any information that we've given out informative, or it's helped you along the way. Thank you. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.